Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Gaviota and today I have a small grocery haul today. I literally just got back from the grocery store like 2 minutes ago, so my bags are right here and I'm just going to show you guys what I got. It's pretty much all healthy. So right here I have chicken, then I got some croutons, in this bag I got some cilantro. It's still like wet. I'm just gonna put that right here. Also got 2 packs of strawberries. There's one. Let me zoom you guys in. So I got strawberries. I got 2 packs of those for my smoothies and just like to eat. Also got blueberries. I like them frozen better than like normally. Does anyone else think like their strawberries, not strawberries, what am I talking about? Does anybody else like their blueberries frozen better than they are just regular, or is that just me? I could be crazy. Well, I already know I'm a little crazy, but that's fine. I got some tomatoes. Also got some Parmesan cheese. Cookies. Lettuce. 2 cucumbers. 3 navel oranges. I can't juggle, but if I could, I would. Let me try. Oh my god. Yeah, let's not do that again. But oranges. This is just another thing of lettuce. And guys, I know I'm using a lot of plastic bags, but it's the last time I'll do that. So another thing of orange. I just called this an orange. I mean, another thing of lettuce, 2 pineapples, and that's all I have for my little grocery haul. This was a quick little video, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got at the grocery store. And then yeah, I'm just gonna pan over all of these things so you see it a little closer. I'm trying to be a little healthier, so just give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe because I have cooking videos coming soon. Woo! And I keep on doing this. Okay, and that is all I have for you guys for my grocery haul. This was a shorter video, but don't forget to like this video if you want to see more, not sideways, thumbs, whatever. Let me start that over. And that's all I have for you guys for this video. This was a little bit of a shorter one, but don't forget to like this video if you want to see more actual cooking videos, which I do have planned. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!